Lyman's fountain. It's a present from West Germany at 1989, and it's actually a beautiful story. The German art came to Israel, and she spent a lot of the time between Jews and Muslims or Arabs. She went to the zoo here, and that is the result. In the middle you can see a tree which represents heaven. And the tree's got three branches. You can see the main two, but believe me, the other side you can see the third one represents Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. It's actually located between the west and the east city, between the Jews and the Arabs. You can see so many things there. Let's start with the animals. Yeah, lots of lions, which is the symbol of Jerusalem, and you see some roses, part of the book of songs. Roses around the thorn represent beauty. But you know, thorn and roses are part of nature. And if we're talking about that, from the Garden of Eden, 4 rivers actually exist, and from there to all over the world. And you can see the first one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. Yes, you're right. It's one of the first time that I'm here and there's no water. And this is the first fountain in Jerusalem. The birds are part of the existence of the world. Altogether, it actually represents a wonderful, idealistic world. And because there's no water, I can go in. You know what will happen? I'm entering to heaven. Heaven, I'm in heaven. The water goes from so many places, here for example, and here as well. That represents the number 7, which is a very famous number in the Bible, 7 days, and so on and so on and so on. And some thorn. You can see one of them there, which shows you that although it's idealistic word, for that nothing is idealistic here. Then it's a beautiful statue, and if you are in Jerusalem, and if you like that kind of art, which I must say you can find a lot in Europe, then come to here. Beautiful, isn't it? It's July 2020, Jerusalem. Behind those trees is the old city. Bye bye.